first meeting between your puppy and your newborn can go totally wrong if you skip this one step. I've trained over 100 families through this transition, and here's what actually works. Before they ever meet face-to-face, let your dog smell something with the baby's scent on it. This gives them time to process the new smell without the overwhelm of a tiny human right in front of them. When you do the actual introduction, keep your puppy on a leash and stay totally calm yourself. Dogs pick up on your energy, so if you're tense, they will be too. Let them look and sniff from a few feet away, then reward calm behavior and end it there. Short and positive beats long and stressful.